Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail. Here we're looking at the HP DeskJet 2755E wireless color inkjet printer that prints, scans, copies, and has an easy setup with also mobile printing, great for printing off the internet at home or the home office for personal and work projects. In this video, I'll be showing off all the features and also sharing my experience with this printer. Here's a brief look at the control panel, which includes the LCD display. We'll be looking at the input tray, the scanner, the control panel, cartridge access door, output tray extender, other connectors, output printing results in black and in full color. First, let's start with the control panel. From the bottom to the top, here's the black and white copy button, full color copy button, the information button, Wi-Fi connection, resume and cancel button, LCD display and power button. LCD display indicates problems, errors, number of copies, paper jam, wireless connection and signal strength, estimated ink levels, and wireless alerts. Here's the scanner and copy bed by scanning one at a time, up to 8.5 by 11 in size. Now let's look at the cartridge access door. This printer accepts two cartridges, the HP 67, which you get in black, and also tricolor. The black ink prints about 120 pages, and the color ink prints about 100 pages. You can purchase these separately or as a kit. A more convenient option would be the 67XL, which offers you approximately 240 pages in black and approximately 200 pages in color. Here's the power cable and its location in the rear. In the same location is the input tray, which holds up to approximately 60 pages. Here's the wireless antenna, which conveniently allows you to print wireless using your laptop, desktop, or smartphone. Also conveniently checking your ink levels using your mobile phone using the HP Smart app. Here's the bottom of the printer for reference. Here's the output tray that includes an extender that outputs up to 25 pages. Here Michelle is going to do a quick demo and print out printed results. Printer includes starter ink cartridges that don't last as long as normal ink cartridges. Manual duplex printing is one page at a time. Allow ink to dry to prevent ink smudging. HP's convenient ink cartridge subscription is optional. Overall, this HP DeskJet printer is compact and great for the home office. If you're not in a rush, this prints pretty decent speeds and prints quality, clear black text and colorful, clean, crisp graphs and charts. If you ever get disconnected offline, try unplugging and replugging. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.